Sunny, and we are at the Alka Yagnik, Udit Narayan and Kumar Sanu show. Sunny, what do you think about this show?
See, bachpan se, since I'm like a teenager or early teenagers, I'm listening to these people. Kumar Sanu is my favorite singer, Alka Yagnik and Udit Narayan. This is my dream come true to see these my idols, and I'm grateful to everybody, and I'm thankful. I'm thankful to Seti Bhai and everybody to give me this opportunity to see my singing idols. Great show. I'm having fun. Thank you.
And Sunny, can you tell us something about yourself? What you do?
Oh, actually, I'm a pharmacist. I own a pharmacy in Brooklyn, and right now I'm into restaurant business too. I have one restaurant called the Kabab Factory in Metuchen, and I'm starting the next one in same name, the Kabab Factory in Linden, New Jersey. Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to see you, Sunny.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity.
Thank you.